Here you're looking at aircraft ID ZA001, and this is an experimental aircraft. It never entered into service, and actually the interior is unfinished. So when it underwent flight testing, basically what you see here is the aircraft and its engines and its flight control systems. It was loaded with sort of water tanks and ballast to simulate sort of a full passenger flight. But this right here is purely experimental and never made it into service. So what you're looking at is the sort of predecessor to the 787s that are flying around the world today.
Oh, it's my own damn fault that I'm falling for you. We haven't even talked, still I'm obsessed with you. Was it your milky eyes or your skin? I don't know. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause I'm never letting you go. I know it's gonna take some time, but I will make you mine. I'll go the extra mile. I'll do what needs to be done until the race is won. I'll go the extra mile.
What's up from Nagoya International Airport here in Nagoya, Japan. So behind me is the Rolls-Royce engine of a Boeing 787. I'm here at Nagoya International Airport, Flight of Dreams. And what it is a museum for the Boeing 787. And why did Boeing pick Nagoya International Airport for the Flight of Dreams Museum? Well, it's because 35% of the Boeing 787 is constructed here in Nagoya Aichi Prefecture. So there are several heavy industries here in this area, and they are responsible for some of the key components of the Boeing 787. So Boeing thought it would be a great idea to have a replica model here in the airport. Now, the parts are manufactured by companies like Subaru and Fuji Heavy Industries, and they are transported here to Nagoya International Airport, where they are transported via Boeing Dreamliner to the final finishing facilities over in Everett, Washington, and in South Carolina. So thought I would bring it to you from here in Nagoya. Aviation fans, I hope you enjoyed it. If you get a chance to come to Japan, definitely check out the Boeing 787 Flight of Dreams exhibit. It is fantastic, and this aircraft is absolutely wonderful when you get to see it up close. So thanks for checking out this video, and see you in the next one.